This snack is made with just 3 ingredients. It is absolutely delicious and very easy to make. And the best part, it doesn't require any special tool. Once you eat one, you will be hooked and you will enjoy making this every day. Let me show you how to make it. Into a bowl, we'll be adding 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Next, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter, that is 30 grams. Then we go ahead and mix it very well until the butter dissolves into the condensed milk. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams, and then we mix it very well until a dough is formed. Once we are done mixing, our dough should look like this. Next, we transfer our dough to a work surface, roll it into a log and cut it into smaller pieces. Then we pick one of the dough cutouts, roll it into a longer log, cut it into 2 or 3 depending on the length. Place it on a baking tray layered with parchment paper. This is what mine looks like. You can make yours smaller in size or bigger in size, but this is a perfect size. Go ahead and repeat the process for the rest of the dough. Go ahead and bake it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Our snack is ready. At this point, you can enjoy it, but we'll be taking it a step further. Once our snack has cooled down completely, we'll go ahead and melt 100 grams of milk chocolate into a bowl. We'll be adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to help loosen the chocolate and give it the shiny look. Then we go ahead and dip our snack into the chocolate. Make sure you coat it completely with the chocolate. Once we are done coating it all with the chocolate, at this stage you can enjoy it, but we are trying to be extra, so we'll be decorating it with white chocolate. Hey friends, if you have watched this video up to this level, thank you so much. Tell me where you're watching us from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment for us in the comment section. Please check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Tell somebody to tell somebody about this channel. Feel free to share this recipe and any other recipe on this channel with your loved ones. If you have any questions or any video recommendations for me, or any simple 2 ingredients or 3 ingredients recipe you want to see me make next, let me know in the comment section. I hope you try this recipe at home. Let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you, and I hope you enjoy making it and enjoy eating it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.